Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click that subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So in today's video I am going to be doing a wash day routine. It has been so long I did a wash day routine, but today is the day. Yes, hallelujah. So I'm going to be doing my wash day routine. I am going to be using rice water as well in this video, just showing you how I use my rice water when I'm doing my wash day routine. So let's get started. So first of all, this is my rice water, and this is just an ordinary water that I am going to be using to dilute this rice water. So I have about 100 ml of water, and I'm going to be adding the rest. I'm going to be filling the rest with rice water. So just to dilute the rice water, because sometimes you don't need too much protein. You don't need too much protein on your hair sometimes, and that is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to put this rice water inside this bottle. So I have added the rice water inside this bottle, and you can see it's rice water and ordinary water. So I'm going to be adding it inside my spray bottle. And that is it inside my spray bottle. So I'm going to spray this rice water all over my hair, just to pre-poo my hair first before I apply the shampoo on my hair. So now, after applying the rice water all over my hair, I am going to cover it up and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes just to pre-poo my hair before I put the shampoo on my hair. So I am back after 15 minutes, and I am going to take the bag out, and my hair is already soft. Okay. Alright, so I am going to be washing my hair with the Tresemme Deep Cleansing 2-in-1. This shampoo is 2-in-1. Why I like the shampoo is shampoo and conditioner. So it's 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It feels like a conditioner but also a shampoo. So I'm going to be applying this on my hair now. At this point, you can section your hair if you're somebody that likes sectioning. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So after massaging the shampoo all over my hair, I'm going to go to my bathroom and rinse it with warm water, and I'll be back. So I am back from washing out the shampoo out of my hair, and now I am going to apply my deep conditioner. This deep conditioner, I made it myself. So it's just a Tresemme natural honey and olive oil, and I added everything inside. I first of all put the Tresemme inside the little container, and then I added honey and olive oil, and then I mix everything together. This is just a deep conditioner that I like to make each time I notice that my hair is extra dry, and it's just your regular old conditioner, and you add whatever you like. I normally add a honey because I need that shine. I need my hair shining and looking healthy, and also olive oil to penetrate and moisturize my hair. So that is why I like adding those in my conditioner to make my deep conditioner. So now I am going to apply it all over my hair. Like I said before, if you like sectioning, section your hair now, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So I'm in that mood today that I don't feel like sectioning my hair. So yeah. So now, after applying the deep conditioner all over my hair, I am going to cover my hair for 30 to 40 minutes, and then I will rinse it off with warm water. So it is now 30 minutes that I started deep conditioning my hair. I am going to take it out now. So now I am going to go and rinse it out with warm water. So I decided to show you detangling my hair with the deep conditioner. Is super easy and super soft to do. I was in the shower detangling it. I'm like, hold on here, let me come and show you guys what the deep conditioner has done to my hair. Look at that. It's very easy, and it makes it very like that deep conditioner just melt inside my hair. Sometimes it's not all about buying the latest deep conditioner or spending your hard-earned money on this latest conditioner, expensive conditioner. You can actually whip up, turn your normal conditioner into a deep conditioner, and it will do the same kind of job that you want. After the deep conditioning, let me finally go and wash out my hair. So I am back from rinsing out the conditioner, and this is how my hair looks. And I must say my hair is #1 champion in shrinking. It can shrink like madness, but that is not a topic for today. I am used to my hair shrinking. So this is it. So after I wash out the conditioner, I'm gonna do a rice water rinse. This is optional. You don't have to do all of them in one day, but this is optional. So I'm gonna do my rice water rinse now. I'm going to sprinkle the rice water all over my hair. So basically that is what I do on a wash day using rice water. I am going to leave this for 15 minutes and then I will just rinse it off with warm water and I will moisturize my hair. If you want to see how I moisturize my hair after a wash day, stay tuned, subscribe, because I am going to be showing you how I moisturize my hair after a wash day in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.